Save the best for last.
Down to when we had the radius milled off, we can get you in there, okay? All that. So this is the 14 heavy duty, most common wrench. So come around over here. So all around the sections. The best way to do it is have it right here in front of you. Put your right hand, lay it down, put it high, and it'll sit right there. Okay, see how it kind of tilted a little bit? Alright, keep it just like that because it will go. Flat. See how it runs that way? Up. Now get it started. Yep. Just like that. Get there, it goes in there. Okay, get that out of the way. One fluid motion. Alright, hold on 1 second. See how it turns a little bit? Yep. There you go, buddy. Straight in. That's it, man. Hear that click? So our guy. Right over here. I like to set it down. Alright, so the next part that you're going to keep the hook in. Let's try it.
I think it's pretty sweet.
So this is everybody right here online. I just want to tell you something real quick, then I'm going to step away. I was just telling these guys right here, you know,